What's up, GNCRC gang? Back once again with another video with the Jeep Gladiator. Today we're gonna do my first mod. And I'm sure you guys, if you saw the last video, you noticed when I unboxed this thing, I really knew an unboxing video, but as soon as I unboxed it, I opened the cab, I guess you would say, and the Velcro was coming loose. I'm just gonna remove this. And I'm gonna remove this here. And we're gonna add magnets. I got these magnets from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Really simple. I'm gonna take my shoe glue. I'm gonna get it started. I'm gonna put a couple dabs. I'm gonna actually do two. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna let this dry overnight. All right, guys, we got the magnet mounts completed. So originally I showed you when I did this, I put the magnet in the middle, but that didn't work too well because of the indentation of this right here. I could have used three magnets, a total of 3 magnets, and it would work fine. But I chose to go ahead and do 2 on the sides. Not the best looking, but it does what I need to do. And we got 2 up here, and it works really well. It's not going anywhere. It's kind of hard to even open. Like I said, I will put a link in the description where I got these magnets from also. They're on Amazon, but I will put the link in the description also. Stay tuned, guys, for more content. Got a lot more planned for this thing. I plan on having a video done for you guys tonight, but I got parts that are coming in that hadn't arrived yet. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.